So hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to claim UTP cables for straight through and crossover connections. We are going to need, so here I have this LAN cable, I have this Cat5e UTP cables, RG45, clipping tools, wire stripper, and a LAN tester. So first, we are going to cut the outer layer first of this cable. I'm gonna use this tool, the wire stripper. So I'm just gonna put this here and I twist it like this and I pull the cable. Okay. And now we are going to order like the standard. I'm going to use the 568B standard session. So the orders it's gonna be white orange, white orange, white orange orange, white green blue, white blue green, white brown and brown. So let me just do this first. Okay, so white orange. I broke the cable. Let me just rinse it again. So right here and twist it. Pull the cable and rearrange. So the orders are white orange, orange, then white green blue, white green blue, where's the blue, green and blue. After that it's white blue, green, and it's gonna be orange. Okay, it's blue, green, white, brown, and brown. Okay, so this is how it looks like. First, I don't think you guys can see it, but it's from this one it's white orange, and then orange, white green blue, white blue green, white brown, and brown, something like that. The others I mess up. No. It's just so hard. It's blue here, you blue should be here, blue. Okay, blue, white blue, green, white brown, and brown. Okay, so we look like this. This is the white orange, orange, white green blue green, white brown, and brown. Now we are going to cut the like few centimeters, few milliliters of it, so we can put it into the RG45. We're going to use this tool. So I'm sorry, I'm using my left hand. I'm not left-handed. I'm not left-handed. Ah. Okay, after that we're going to put the RG45 into this cable. So from this is the first pin, and the other side this is the 8th pin. So we're going to connect the white orange cable into the first pin. Okay. I think it's not like tidy yet, so I'm gonna cut again. I'm not left-handed. I have to use my tights. Okay. Okay, after I put this in, I need to push the cable into the AG45. So it's really nice. Well, okay, so now we're going to use the creaming tools to cream the cable. Okay, so it should be like this, and sounds nice, sounds good. And we doing the same to the other side of the cable. We cut this first. since this is the straight through cable, so the both end has to be the same. So it has to be the same orders as the other one. Okay. White, orange, orange. White, green, blue. White, green, blue, blue, white, blue, white, green, brown, white, and brown. Just like that. Make sure this is on the correct order. It's this one. Okay. Now we are going to trim cable. Very nice. Pull it a little gentle here. Yep. Then we're going to use another RC45 to connect this one. So it should be on the correct orders. Now we're going to trim this. Sounds nice. And now we are going to test it with this LAN tester. So I'm gonna plug the other side here and plug in the other side here. Boop. Is it connected? Yeah, anyway, turn it on. 1, 2, 3 is dead. Wait, 1, 2. I think I messed up the order, but okay. So that's basically how to trim the straight through cable. Yeah, I did some mistakes here. My bad. Yeah, the order is not correct one. So yeah. Anyway, and now we are going to trim the crossover connection. Unlike the straight through one, we are going to use two standard order for this cross through. So now we're going to use 568B on the side, and 568 on 568A on the other side. I'm going to do the same thing again. Need to trim these tools, twist it, take it off. For the 568A order, should be green. So for the 568A, the orders are white, green, green, white, orange, blue, orange, and white, brown with brown. Okay. Okay, we are going to do the 568A order first. So, white, green, green. Okay, white, green, green, white, orange, blue. Come here, you blue, white, orange. Orange, blue, white, blue, orange. It should be on the other side. White, green, green, white, orange, blue. Why are you there? Orange, blue, white, blue, orange. And with this and this one. Blue, you blue. You come here, blue. Okay, blue. White, blue. Orange. Brown, white, and brown. It should be look like this. Yeah, it's not really that clear, but the others are white, green, green, white, orange, blue, white, blue, orange, white, brown, and brown. Okay, let's trim it. Remember to use it on your primary hand, so should stronger now. Yep. And now make sure you put still the correct order, right? No, you're not. You should be there. Yep. No, it's not. Oh, let me pull it first. Okay. Let me just trim it again. Now we put the RG45 in. Make sure you put it already on the correct order. Come in. Okay. Okay, now it's good. Should be good, should be good. Now we are going to cream it again. Cream it again. Like this. On the other side, now we are going to do the 568B standard. Okay, we do the same thing again. We trim the cable. We pull the cable. We reorder the cable. Untwist, 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 untwist. It's the classic one, the white, orange, orange, white. Is it white, green? Yeah, it's the white, green, blue. It's the white, green, blue, white, blue, green. You come here, white, blue, green, white, brown, and brown. Okay. Yep. This is already the correct order. Make sure this one is also correct. To be honest, this is the hardest part for me, at least. It's really need to like be patient and rearrange onto the correct corresponding order. Okay, good. Should be good, should be good. I'm holding, and then I trim it. Okay. Now we put the RG45 back in again. Wait. One green. Okay, blue. White, blue. Hello, white, blue. Hello, white, blue. Very white, blue. White, blue. Green, white, brown, yellow. Okay. What is this? You know, I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna repeat that. I'm sorry for my mistakes. I just need to do it again. So it will be ended with better result. Result. Green. Blue, come here, blue. Where are you? Okay, blue. White, blue. Blue. Green. Oh, wow. I'm gonna do that again. I just need to rearrange this like this, like that, this and that. Okay. Okay. White, green, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, yellow, brown, and brown. Okay, trim it again. So it good. Put the RJ45 in. No, you're not supposed to be there. Bloop. Okay, should be fine. Now we put that in. Oh, no. Okay. RJ45 in. Okay, it's nice. It's good. Now we are going to cream it like this. Boop. Okay, now the crossover connection is done. It's finished. Now we are going to test it. Where's the, oh, here we go. So other side going in, and the other side going in. Turn it on. Yeah, I think I messed it up again. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry for all of my mistakes. I only have one attempt due to my resource. I don't have any RJ45, so this is the only one I can do. That's it. Thank you.